Hagani ke jing Rakhe ke balong hasusutha mudutrium ladon lang Menteri Ketanat Forest and Environment uba Preston Tinsong kum kongsan nangta uba PBO warjri IAS kum sumbut kongsan batru uba sibutna Principal Chief Conservator of Forest hagani ke sngi kibobon kinongkren kilakran chapang ke jingdon kam banyadai ke jait marat ke badal kamariang khamtam e kidu ki bala do jait kumta kum ke jing pensilor ke Ketanat kelapun ku burom ru dak sunat syakitu ke bala no senyang ben pelaj ya kum kite ke jait marat khlau batlek dan IT hagatanan badai pe yaki hani ke sngi layoru ya ke jingran ke basotna bhan u kongsan u ba Preston Tinsong halo ke jing Rakhe bat kenturu ya ki pat ba bekidon kam men snok tilang ban plak im ya ki marat khlau habajar ring khat bakilam layoru ya ke jingran no Chief Secretary ke jylla batru now Principal Chief Conservator of Forest and Wildlife jong ke jylla u ba YS Shulai bat kiwe.
There is one farmer and a man who has been very observant about wildlife and nature. He told me recently, and he said that the insects or the worms which are affecting various types of fruits may not be a result merely of climate change, but they are also possibly a result of the absence or the loss of natural predators. You know, there are many natural predators, whether it is birds, whether it's animals, and birds are the most natural predators of insects. And when birds are killed or wiped out, there is a very strong possibility that various kinds of insects which normally do not live in large numbers can suddenly proliferate and they can harm our fruits and our food crops.
As stated by our Chief Secretary, it is so beautiful if we know how to protect them. They're creatures that our Almighty Creator made surrounding us is wonderful. So what I should say here is, celebration on a yearly basis reminds us that even wildlife are our friends. So I would request all of you, especially our school children, from today when you go back home, if you see an insect, small insects, entering your house, don't kill, just throw them away. Okay? Don't kill, just throw them away. Except mosquito. The mosquito we have to kill. Is it not? You see, from the forest department, we are trying our best to preserve wildlife. And then we are also on a job of forest conservation. Not only wildlife, forest conservation. Because without forest, I don't think wildlife can be seen by us.
Second prize, M. Tessa Lina G. Mohan, Kiddies Corner, second. Presentation for differently able children below 12 years. We have prizes for underprivileged street children. Ritika Devnath, St. Margaret High School. Gentleman. Third prize, AC competition school level. First